What if I told you that one of the most popular graphic design tools available right now is completely free, yet most designers have never even heard of it? So, today we're diving deep into Stable Diffusion and why every graphic designer needs to be using this revolutionary AI image generator. In recent years, artificial intelligence has been making massive waves in the creative world. Tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion have burst onto the scene, enabling designers to generate incredibly high-quality, unique images from just a text prompt. The results are nothing short of mind-blowing. What makes Stable Diffusion special? While there are several impressive AI image generators out there, Stable Diffusion stands out for a few key reasons. First, it's completely open source and free to use. That means designers can tap into its powerful capabilities without spending a dime. But the real magic is in how Stable Diffusion works. By training on millions of images, it has learned to understand complex visual concepts and generate new images that match those ideas. The results are often stunningly creative compositions that would take a human designer hours, if not days, to create from scratch. How designers can leverage AI tools. So what does this mean for the average graphic designer? Quite simply, it means having access to an incredibly powerful tool that can supercharge your creativity and efficiency. Imagine being able to generate a dozen unique design concepts in mere minutes, then riffing and iterating on the best ones. Used thoughtfully, AI image generation can augment human designers' capabilities in incredible ways. Here's a first draft. This AI stuff, it's not just hype. It can actually help you design faster, better, and more creatively than ever before. Does that sound too good to be true? Let me tell you, it isn't. The key is knowing how to use these tools right. Not every designer has figured this out yet, but those who do, they're light years ahead of the pack. So what's the secret? It comes down to learning how to effectively prompt AI systems like Stable Diffusion. When you know how to guide them, the results can be mind-blowing. You'll finally break free from creative block for good. Rapidly prototype ideas that would take forever on your own. Explore crazy directions you never even knew existed. The possibilities are endless, but only if you know how to access them. That's where our next video comes in. We're diving deep into practical tips and tricks for getting the most out of these tools. So stay tuned, my creative friend. Your next big breakthrough is closer than you think, and we'll show you exactly how to make it happen. Until then, keep creating and stay curious.